As we all know, Meta are knee-deep in development on their new augmented reality glasses Orion, which they unveiled at their Connect event in September this year. The technology they showed off was nothing short of incredible, but did you know that they have an ongoing research project working with corporate and academic partners that has assisted them in further developing AR and AI? Today we want to dive into Project Aria and give a basic overview of what it is and what Meta are seeking to achieve with it. Before we get into it, please hit the like button to support Expand Reality and subscribe for all things AR, VR and AI in business. On September 16th, 2020, Meta, who at the time was still under the name Facebook, unveiled Project Aria, a research project on the future of wearable AR. The project manifested itself in a pair of glasses, utilizing groundbreaking technology to help gather information from the user's perspective, contributing to the advancement of research on machine learning and augmented reality. The glasses have a range of features integrated into the hardware, such as sensors to capture video and audio seen and heard by the user, eye tracking cameras, and location tracking via GNSS. All of this provides a wide range of data for research in helping to build the best and most diverse augmented reality experience. Looking at the video released by Meta to showcase the Aria glasses, you can see plenty of real-world AR examples relevant to everyday activities. For example, one particular scene features a man walking into a restaurant, and in front of the establishment, details about the cuisine available, approximate wait time, and overall customer rating are displayed. Making that all-important decision of where to go for lunch will be much easier with a simple glance telling you all you need to know, especially if you're unfamiliar with the area. Navigating an airport will also be much easier, with AR features providing users with the kind of information and directions they'd normally have to seek members of staff out for. As extravagant as those two examples might be, the video for Aria also shows something as simple as locating your keys, which I'm certain everyone has run into at some point or another. As mentioned at the start of this video, this isn't a research project confined to just Meta. Whilst they are the ones who kickstarted it, the many partners they're working with have helped to identify and build software features that expand the possibilities and use cases for wearable AR technology. The two examples I want to take a look at are SceneScript and Ego Blur. As described on the Project Aria website, SceneScript is a method for representing and inferring scene geometry using an autoregressive structured language model and end-to-end learning. In more simple terms, you can map out the size of spaces and objects, perfect for when it comes to renovating a room, office space, or even construction planning. Ego Blur is described as a new AI model from Meta to preserve privacy by detecting and blurring personally identifiable information from images. This could range from someone's face in a video to bank card details to a vehicle's license plate. Beyond all of this, there is so much more to unpack from Project Aria, but hopefully this should give you a good idea of what the research project is and how it's being used to further the evolution of augmented reality and artificial intelligence. If you did enjoy or got some value out of this video, please hit the like button to support Expand Reality and subscribe for all things AR, VR and AI in business. Stay tuned for more content as we further explore Project Aria and everything else Meta is cooking up in the XR and AI space. Catch you all later.